Okay, it's Friday night. That's the weekend. Time for a cocktail. It's been a heck of a week. So tonight we're going to make something with rum, which is not a spirit that I use a lot because it usually calls for coconut milk or coconut cream and pineapple juice. And I don't have any pineapple juice right now, and it's not quite rum season. But anyway, so this drink is called, you might have guessed it already, a Bolero. White rum, apple brandy, and this is from our local orchard distillery here, Golden Harvest. Applejack made from apples, and sweet vermouth. That's Trinchera from California. So the ratios are very simple: 5-3-1. This is a drink served up, so you'll want to have your cocktail glasses filled with ice water to chill before you drink. Let's start with the white rum. I'm going to make 2 portions. That's about right there on the rum. Okay. 5 parts rum, 3 parts the apple brandy. Okay. And 1.5 parts sweet vermouth. And that is how you make a Bolero. Just get your top on your shaker so it doesn't leak out. That should be enough. Let's pour the water out of the cocktail glasses. Pop the top off the shaker. Serve it up. All right, 2 Boleros. Stay safe. Drink liberally.